Moscow in flames, missiles headed toward New York. Film at 11.
That might just happen. Well, gentlemen, after a long hiatus, I'm happy to report another Honda recall. This time it affects many vehicles, but since most of you guys are only here for the Insight, basically, if you own a 2019 Honda Insight, Honda of America has done a recall on the front passenger and driver seatbelt latches. Apparently, and I'm going to read this real quickly, with continuous use, the buckle channel surface coating may deteriorate over time, and the release button may shrink against the channel at low temperatures, increasing friction. This may result in issues with the seatbelt buckle latching. If the seatbelt buckle does not latch, the occupant may not be properly restrained, increasing the risk of injury to the occupant. So, this is mostly for the 2019 Honda Insight. There are other vehicles involved. The 2022 Honda Insight also has a problem with the rear center seatbelt. So basically what Honda is trying to let us know is the vehicles, the Hondas that we love so much, and the reason I love my Honda is not only, for the gas mileage of the Insight and so forth, but I love it because it's just fun to sit in. Its handling characteristics, its sitting characteristics, its driving characteristics, just love the car. So Honda, not content on building a adaptive cruise control with a radar that will slam your car into the back of cars stopped at lights, and also having braking systems, automatic braking systems, that will engage every time Puxahunty Phil sees his shadow, and the thing will engage just like that. Since they're not satisfied of trying to get rid of their customers that way, they've decided now they're going to try to kill us instead. So now instead, you get into a crash, you're going to fly out of your front windscreen. Now, I guess it's great that at least they put the recall out, and it's a pretty important recall, so I suggest you all deal with it. As for whether you're going to be able to get anything done, very big question about that ever happening, because getting the parts are going to be the problem. As per usual, nobody is working, nobody is there, and no parts are available. So I suggest all of you go and set up with your Honda dealerships. If you have the 2019 Honda Insight, if you have the 2022, you also have a recall for the rear center. I guess that's only important if you got kids, because nobody cares about who sits in the center seatbelt, center rear. I mean, come on, that's usually the loser of the group, right? Yeah. So for any of you guys that have 2019 Honda Insights, make sure you get it set. I have not set mine yet. I'm going to. My Honda Link keeps screaming at me that I have a recall. As for anything else, there's really not much else to say, except I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I hardly drive at all. I work 2 miles from where I am, and I drive multiple cars for this situation. I intend to try to get my videos up a little bit more, but to be perfectly honest, I am so darn tired I can barely move most of the time. Took all my energy just to do this one, and you can hear me stumbling over my words, so I'm way out of way out of practice for this. I do have some other videos that I am working on. Well, I'm not working on, they're made. I just have to edit them, which takes hours of work because it's just me, dudes. To be perfectly frank, I don't make any money off of this, nor do I intend to. I mean, come on, these are garbage videos. This is just basically me, sticking my finger up my nose and talking to you about crap. So I will try to get some of those up. I will try to get this one up. Heaven forbid, it's only a week late from the recall at least. We'll leave it at that. That's all I got to say. Ready out.